NASA program and set a major spaceflight milestone for all humans. The Apollo program was conceived in 1960 during Dwight D. Eisenhower's presidency. Then the Apollo program started in 1961 and consisted of 11 total space flights and missions. Apollo was a NASA program that had American astronauts. Out of the 11 space flights, 6 of those resulted in moonwalks. The first 4 flights tested the equipment used in the Apollo program to see if astronauts could be sent to the moon and land. Apollo 1 attempted to launch in 1967. We lost 3 Apollo astronauts on this mission. Apollo 7 was launched in 1968 with a crew of 3. The times the crew orbited Earth was 163. Apollo 8 launched 1968 with a different crew of 3, and then the mission was also successful with Earth orbits numbering 10. Apollo 9 tested the lunar module in orbit in 69. The crew orbited the Earth 151 times. The rehearsal of the moon landing was in 69 on Apollo 10. It was a great success with 31 orbits around the Earth's bend. Apollo 11 was the first land and walk on the moon in 69. Neil Armstrong was the first to step foot on the moon for humankind. In 1969, Apollo 12 was the first precision landing on the moon, which was also successful instead of ending in doom. All astronauts survived on Apollo 13. You can see after an oxygen tank explosion in 1970. The Apollo 14 mission launched in 1971, which marked the first landing in